everybody. Here I am with the Singer 500J. The goal is to remove the hand wheel, the motor. The hand wheel and motor have already been removed, and the hand wheel has been cleaned. The motor hasn't been taken apart. But anyway, the motor's fine. It's going to come out, and the hand wheel is going to come off, and then I am going to remove the stitch length regulator lever. I'm going to remove that device, and so there's still quite a bit to come off before I can actually dip the machine in the bath. What has been accomplished is that all the wiring is removed. So once the motor comes out, and it's just, undo one screw. So that's where I'm going to get today. So without further ado, let's have some fun. Let's remove the hand wheel. PA 10-8. All the motor and all the wiring is removed. The hand wheel, it is removed. Next, I will remove the stitch length regulating lever. Those are both loose now. That screw is undone. And there's a washer. Fair enough. I have the screw. I'll put that in there. Aha! There it is. There's the washer. That's a reverse threaded screw? It is. It's a reverse threaded screw. That was the problem there. See that? So now I'm going to take that baggie, that sandwich bag again, and I've got the screw, the washer, and that, whatever you call it, that knob, furled knob or furled nut, and they're in a bag. It's locked up, and we're going to put it in that magnetic box. Well, looky there. That is coming out now as well. So that's pretty good. What about the slide? There is the slide. As you can see, it's close tolerance as far as getting tools in, and that is on a post, and that is not threaded, and the post is not threaded. So it's just a slide, a metal piece that has a hole in it that the post sits in, that it sits on the post with that, and that will come off. So all you gotta do, now just understand that I have to move the thickness or the length of that piece there, and it has to go all the way over there. So it's close tolerance, there's not a lot of room in there, but it's easy to do. But that's what's gonna happen, and there it is there. So, and that's good, we should do that if we want to or can, because look at the dirt on there, and then there's dirt on there. Now that post is part of that vertical upright there, so that doesn't come off. So that's, you've taken it right down to right to zero there. And that you'll be able to and really clean that. Well, it's going in the bath anyway. That's the whole point, right? Yes. It's always interesting and fun and educational, and you may find something here that is useful for you. I thank you for being here and viewing. I thank you for that support. And I'd like to ask you to please subscribe if you like coming here to see these videos. Do take care of yourself. Have fun. Enjoy your time with your hobbies and your machines or your sewing. Have fun, take care of yourself. Adios, amigos.